In this video, I want to give you a tool for adding description to your writing. That tool is prepositional phrases. By the end of the week, you should be able to list common prepositions and add a prepositional phrase to a sentence. So I want to start by reminding you of the difference between a phrase and a clause. A clause has a subject and a verb. Let's look at the example below. I found the cat under the table. Which part of the sentence has a subject and a verb? Hopefully you said the first part. I is my subject. What did I do? I found. Found is my verb. Therefore, this first part of the sentence is a clause. It has both a subject and a verb. And in fact, this is an independent clause, right? It can stand on its own. This second half of the sentence, though, under the table, is missing either a subject and a verb or both. Therefore, it's a phrase. Table is a noun. It's a person, place, or thing. But it's not acting as a subject here, so it's missing both a subject and a verb. I found the cat, because it has a subject and a verb, is a clause. Under the table is a phrase. So what's a prepositional phrase then? A prepositional phrase is going to start with a preposition. A preposition is a word that indicates time or location. Most of the time it's location. And most of the time it's location in the physical world. So let's look at some prepositions that show location in the physical world. The puppy is on the floor. Where is the puppy? On the floor. So on is a preposition that is indicating location. The puppy is in the trash can. The puppy is beside the phone. Right? These prepositions are used to add description to tell you where the puppy is. So a prepositional phrase is a phrase that starts, remember a phrase is missing a subject or a verb or both. So it's a phrase that starts with a preposition and ends with a noun. It's important that you have both. So let's look at this sentence here. The cat sat, right? This is my clause, remember, because it has both a subject and a verb. The cat sat. Cat is my subject. Sat is my verb. So let's see if I can add these prepositional phrases to my base sentence, or my base clause. The cat sat on the stairs. Right, here's my cat sitting on the stairs. The cat sat on the stairs. On is my preposition, and on the stairs is my prepositional phrase. During the TV show, the cat sat. During is my preposition. The cat sat beside the nightstand. Beside is my preposition. The cat sat in the chair, or in the chair the cat sat. The cat sat above the bookshelf. Or after a nap, the cat sat. So I can use prepositions to add all kinds of description to my sentence, to my writing. So what I want you to do right now is I want you to use this same image, right? We have tons of cats all over this image, and I want for you to use these two base sentences to write sentences that have a prepositional phrase attached. So here's your base clauses or your base sentences. The cat sat. Cat is the cat laid. Cat is my subject in this base sentence. Laid is my verb. So it's a clause. It's an independent clause. Or the cat walked. So what I would love for you to do right now is I would love for you to open your composition notebook. And I want for you to write down both of these base sentences. And then I want you to write down at least 2 to 3 different prepositional phrases that you could add to that sentence to make it more descriptive. So for example, I might say, the cat laid on the bed. I might say, the cat laid underneath the table. I might say the cat walked across the carpet. You get the idea. Try it. 2 to 3 for each independent clause. The cat laid and the cat walked.